sis, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm showing you guys my signature look. So this is the look that I would do when I want to look put together. I want to look glam. I don't want to do any eyeshadow, but I want to look, you know, still put together, still glam. Very simple. I focus on my skin. Skin is like my number one focus when I'm doing my makeup. I just want a natural looking complexion. So skin is my number one, and then of course we do our brows, our eyes, and our lips. Everything comes second. So if you guys want to see how I achieved my signature look, then just continue to. Alright sis, so I have my brows done already. We know we can't spend time doing brows, so I do have a brow routine. If you guys have not seen, it is my updated brow routine. I'll leave it in the cards above or in the link below, so you guys can check that out. We're gonna start off with priming the skin, guys. I am going to show you guys my signature makeup look like I mentioned in the intro. So no eyeshadow for this look. It's simply focusing on the skin. Like, I want a natural full coverage look. Okay, it's gonna be a full coverage makeup look. Skin is my number one focus, so no eyeshadow and just focusing on the skin today, guys. So I'm going in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It is winter here in Canada, so it's very cold, and I find that this is the perfect primer for my skin, just because, oh my gosh, it feels so cooling right now as well. Like, it's just very refreshing, and it has that stick, that grip. Like, my hand is like literally sticking on my face. So I love that for my makeup, just because it does allow my makeup to last longer as well. And for oily skin girls, if you are a little skeptic on this, me personally, I haven't had any issues with excessive oil. It's literally hydrating primer, and honestly, we all need hydration. So if you are an oily skin girl and have used this and you have any feedback, let me know in the comments below so that I know how it works, I guess, with different people. So yeah, primer is done. We're gonna move on to concealing. So I've been grabbing my Fenty Bright Fix Concealer for under my eyes as of recently, and I'm in the shade Toffee number 14. And I just like to, oh my gosh, that was way too much. And I was just about to tell you guys, I like to place a small amount. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm so stupid, is just put some over here. But yeah, I like to go in with a small amount on both sides, because a little does go a long way, guys. And I'm just gonna blend it out with a brush. I like to use a brush just because a girl needs that coverage under the eyes. The eyes for me is a main thing, a big thing, especially when I know that I haven't been getting a lot of sleep, or I've just been getting a lot of bags. I like to make sure that underneath my eyes is nice and concealed. So I am taking a flat blending brush like this, and I'm literally just tapping that product. Focus, sis, focus. I'm literally just tapping that product in. So I don't blend it in all the way. I kind of just blend it in first with the brush and then let it sit for a bit. So I'm gonna let that sit for a bit, and then I do go in with my sponge to blend it out. I do this because I want full coverage, guys. Leaving your concealer on for a minute or two to sit and set on your skin really boosts up the coverage of the concealer. To me, I used to use this and just blend it out, and I would still see a bit of my dark circles peeping through. So what I've been doing is leaving it to sit for a bit and then blending it out after. So I'm gonna go in with my sponge and just blend out the rest. And then I'm also bringing it on my lids as well. Alright, so under eyes are concealed. Next, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. So foundation of choice today, which I've been loving, I think I used this in one of my previous videos, is the Revlon Color Stay Foundation. This is for combination oily skin, and I'm in the shade Cinnamon. I've been loving it, guys. So I'm gonna use this today. And I'm gonna use my beauty sponge to blend this out, just because I am going for a more natural look today. I'm going for full coverage, but not cakey full coverage. I'm going for a natural full coverage, if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna use the applicator, well, it's not applicator, but I'm just gonna pump from the bottle, and then I'm gonna use my sponge to blend it out. And make sure your sponge is damp, guys. So this is one layer, guys, one layer. And I love this foundation because it gives a nice soft matte finish. It's still mattifying because it is made for oily combination skin, but you still have a natural, look at that, I didn't even highlight. You still have that natural glow to your skin. So this is why I've been reaching for this specific product, because I just love how my skin looks. My skin looks flawless. All right, so next, of course, is highlighting. I am going to highlight and cream contour today. So for highlight, I'm gonna take my CoverGirl Undercover Concealer. This one is in Golden Caramel. And then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Matte Stick in Espresso to cream contour. So I'm gonna go in with this. All right, and now I'm gonna go in with my sponge to blend it out. So I've been doing this method of concealer as of recently because I like how it lifts my eyes. Like if you're really looking at my face right now, you could see just after me blending that out, how this eye is more cat eye-ish. Like it looks more pointy towards the end here. And I realized that after I've been using this technique to blend out my concealers. All right, I do want a bit of a brighter under eye, so I'm gonna go in with my Revlon Candid concealer. This is in 50 medium deep, right in the inner corner here. I don't want to apply too much. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour. And I like to place my contour, like I don't like to bring it all the way down here. I want my cheekbones to be lifted, so I literally apply it right on my cheekbones, not underneath, right on, because when you do blend it out, it does spread out anyways. So I like to apply it right on the cheekbone. I'm gonna apply some to my forehead as well and my jawline. And then again, my beauty sponge. am gonna dip into the stick and just apply some to my brush just to do my nose here. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and set. We're done with all our liquids and creams. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Banana Setting Powder, which I haven't used in a while. And I'm just going to set all of my highlighted areas. All right, and now to set my contour, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pressed Powder. This is in Cocoa. And I'm taking my angled contour brush to set everything. All right, so now for my all over powder, just to bring everything together, I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Clean Fresh Pressed Powder. This is in 200 Rich. So this is my all over powder. And I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and pounce this everywhere, like all over my skin. So for eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and do a classic wing liner. And this is literally a part of my signature look. I love doing a nice winged liner. So I'm gonna take my Essence eyeliner pen. This is literally probably the cheapest eyeliner you could get out there. And just create a natural wing liner. All right, so liner is done. I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera and dust away my contour, and we'll be back to finish up the rest of the face. All right, sis, so lashes are on. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Lancome Tint Idole mascara and just apply it to my top and bottom lashes. And that's it for eyes. For blush, I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl True Blend So Flushed Blush, and this is in Sweet Seduction. All right, and then for highlighter today, I'm going back into my Fenty Duo highlighter palette. And I'm gonna go in with Hustler Baby. Ooh, forgot how pigmented these are. But we're moving on to lips now, and I'm gonna use two of my favorite products. This is my favorite lip combo at the moment, which is obviously a part of my signature look. So it is my Kiss New York lip liner in chocolate and my Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream. This is in Honey Waffles. Okay, and then I'm going to set my face. I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Setting Spray. And that completes my signature look, guys. Let me go change, do the outro, and then that's about it. All right, sis, so this completes my signature makeup look. This is what I would do when I want a full beat, full coverage makeup look. I want to look put together, cute, and just all glammed up. This is what I would do. So got the lashes, we got the liner, we got the nice natural looking skin, and we got the beautiful lip glossed lip. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I like to respond to you guys, so make sure you're commenting in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.